No, I would not, and for a couple of reasons. First of all, this is an additional burden. It's a regressive tax. It's a flat amount on every car in the city. So what does that do? That means if you have a 1979 Pinto and I have a 1999 Volvo, that we pay the same. And the people, what you're doing again is burdening the people who can least afford it another $20 a year. Now people say, well, $20 isn't a lot. Well, it is to people who don't have it. And it is to businesses that don't have it when they have multiple vehicles. That's one element of it. My biggest concern, though, is we try to capture these sources of revenue, whether it's the tab tax or the proposed hotel-motel tax or other sources of revenue. The problem is that we have no plan for that. We don't have any strategic financial plan that says this is what we anticipate in terms of revenues, this is what we should be looking for in terms of expenses, and try to find a way to make sure that those two match up.
Absolutely. If everybody just remembers back to what springs are like in Spokane with the number of potholes, it's not like that in other cities. I've lived in Oakland, California. I've lived in Berkeley, California. I've lived in Madison, Wisconsin. Each of those for a few years, and their streets are not potted like that with the chuck holes. We have a problem with our street maintenance, and it's not something. When you go out, when I'm out doorbelling and you talk to somebody about maintaining our streets, you always get a chuckle because everybody knows that our streets are some of the worst maintained. And that's not because our workers are bad, but it's because we haven't invested in that as a city.